I know there's a J-200 in your future. Welcome everybody, Paul here, Music Villa, downtown Bozeman, Montana, home of Gibson guitars. Quentin King is here, and man, I'm telling you.
Yep, I know.
Everyone should own one. That thing just is an animal.
Yep.
Yeah, we just did a bunch of guitars, and you hit that thing, and I just kind of woke back up. I was getting a little sleepy in the last video. I'm sorry about that, but
Paul was out gigging last night. He was playing.
I did. I finally did a gig after
played some drums after
years.
First COVID, or you did maybe something in there.
I did one last summer, but yeah. Anyways, but it was.
Yeah. So I mean,
this was impressive.
You hear it, and Paul's ears perk up.
I do. For some reason, I don't know what it is.
You know exactly what it is.
It wouldn't be for every gig, but for when you're out strumming and you're doing rock and country and blues and it's just.
It's an orchestra. I mean, you've got the full-on low end. The highs are there. But
cool.
when you strum it, it's
what is
your
it?
face.
What is this? It's a J-200.
Of course it is.
It's
a J-200.
But it's got a cutaway. Yeah. And it's blue.
And it's got a special...
Quilted Maple. Yeah. Beautiful Quilted Maple.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful blue, actually. I mean, this blue is in person.
Mm-hmm.
I really like it. You know, you're kind of like, wow. But it's actually a cool... it's blue, so it's not for everybody, but... it really is a cool blue. And then the inlays are a little different. You've got...
I'm checking out this one because it's got some light blue, some almost turquoise looking inlay to match.
It's got more... you can see the abalone different than on the regular one, which is pearl. This is all abalone. The gold tuners. It's just cool. You know, a customer called me the other day and said, I'm looking for a Cutaway J-200. And I was like, sorry, ain't gonna happen. I don't know when you're gonna be able to get one. And of course, I didn't take his phone number down. So if you're watching, please call me. I'm sorry if I
call quick because
I hung up the phone and then all of a sudden a J-200 in blue
kind of walked in the door.
Yeah. Walked in the door, and it's just a cool guitar.
Yeah. Well, again, sounds like a Gibson. Not just any Gibson, but the J-200. Just has a big, full, rich sound.
Yeah.
Oh, it's very nice.
I like it. I like it a lot. All right.
Yes, sir.
Whoever buys this, you get a free T-shirt. It says J-200. Everyone should own one.
Everyone should own. All right. Well, now I'm.
There you go.
Now I gotta consider.
We do got to get you into a J-200 though.
Yes, we do.
Before this year's up.
Before this. Okay, we're gonna set a deadline.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Quentin, thanks.
You bet.
Love it. J-200 Cutaway made right here in Bozeman,
Beautiful
Montana.
blue.
Check us out, musicvilla.com, and thanks for watching.